Welcome to the Thames Valley Flood Scheme video. This follows on from our video, What is the Thames Valley Flood Scheme? We recommend watching that first. In this video, you can find out how we have identified flood storage areas to take forward for further investigation. These images show an artist's impression of a flood storage area. They show a generic location rather than a specific place. You can see what a flood storage area could look like. There would be an embankment and control structure to temporarily hold water back in times when flooding is expected. To identify areas with potential for flood storage, we looked across the catchment area shown with the blue outline. We began using computer mapping to identify areas that could be used to store large additional volumes of water while avoiding major infrastructure like motorways, towns and villages. We found over 700 areas, as shown on the map. We then removed areas where the ground wasn't suitable for storing water, such as areas of chalk and areas that were not large enough to achieve the flood risk reduction needed. This left us with over 200 areas for further investigation. We considered the social, economic and environmental changes each area could create. We assessed the locations against sustainability criteria such as heritage features, habitats, flood risk and historic landfill sites. This then left us with 84 locations. We continued to assess these sites, looking again at further minimising impact on residential properties and reviewing the size of flood storage needed in each location. We modelled different rainfall patterns to see the potential benefits in reducing flood risk downstream. After this, we identified 17 areas to take forward for further investigation. At this stage, we continue to shape the scheme. The direction of the project could change as we find out more about these locations, do further work to identify benefits, and look into costs and funding opportunities. It may be that we take forward all, some, or none of these flood storage areas. For more information and to stay up to date as the scheme progresses, please follow us on social media, visit our website, or email the project team to sign up to our newsletter. Thank you so much for watching.